Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on Review into Huck's World. And yes, we are diving into the weekend. I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out, especially if you're going to be dressing down or you're going to be working out over the weekend. You guys seem like you like the last watch face. Hopefully you like this one as well. Now, the name of the watch face is called Blue Limb Watch Face. In AOD mode, you will not get a digital time. You will get an analog time, which isn't a bad deal. It actually looks pretty nice. Now, once the watch face is on, I really like the design of this watch face. It stands out, especially for a casual wear. Now, you're going to get big, bold numbers so far as your digital time is concerned, and they're going to be stacked. You're going to get animated seconds as well. Now, look up at the top, people. Somebody tell me if they see what I see. Jackie, can you see it? Donkey Kong all the way. All it needs is a ladder, some barrels, and the gorilla on his way up. This is an awesome watch face. I got to get a developer 3 thumbs up for this one. Now you're going to get your date, the day of the week as well, and also your battery percentage down at the bottom. And the watch face is inactive, so if you're on your run, you can use this timer, which you don't see in many watch faces. Also, I could tap right here, and I could set an alarm, and I can tap right here, and I could pull up my S health as well. So I thought this was nice. I thought the developer definitely did a really good job with the design and the layout of this watch face. But the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think, people? All right, don't forget, hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another video. And enjoy the weekend, people. Have some fun and be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.